guys, Razel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another matry video, guys. And I will be trying a lip product this time. I watched RAIZA Contawi's video and I love RAIZA. Hi RAIZA if you're watching. I watched her video and she featured these lipsticks and sobrang gustong-gusto niya, guys. And I did receive this from Caris as well. Ang ganda talaga tingnan sa kanya and I want to try it. It is from Sep Beauty. Meron silang matte at saka I think meron sila nung isa. Ano ba yung isa? Basta hindi matte. Makikita nyo siya sa screen. So, meron akong 4 na shades. I think ito lang lahat yung matte shades nila. Nung na-receive ko to, parang sabi ko, ano to? Kasi alam ko makaka-receive ako ng lipstick. Pero kung titingnan mo siya, parang sabi ko, lipstick ba to? Or parang maliit na power bank? Tingnan mo yan, that's the lipstick and it looks like a power bank. Hindi ko pa to na-open, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, it is going to be like a first impression review video. Nung na-receive ko to, hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys, yung nandito. Nung nakita ko lang yung video ni Raisa, sabi ko, yun pala yun. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa siya na-open. Now, it is available sa shop ko, guys, sa Caris. Ili-leave ko yung shop ko below. Tingnan ko muna kung magugustuhan ko siya before ako mag-recommend, guys. Pero, itatry natin siya ngayon. Isa-swatch ko muna siya and then I will choose a lipstick na susuotin ko throughout the day. Anyway, ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. As in, sobrang sosyalin tingnan. Very classy as well. And gusto ko siya na hindi siya ganun kamalaki na lipstick. Like, it's very slim. See? Ito yung brush ni Ann Clothes. Ganyan. See, maliit talaga siya. It's very sleek. Ang ganda ng packaging. Gray. Parang gunmetal. Tapos black or dark gray. And, ooh, nice. Wow, okay. Mahaba na yan, ha? Ganyan siya karami. So, basahin ko yung description ng product, guys, ha? Sabi, it contains 7 lip sustain oil. So, it's supposed to be very moisturizing sa lips. It is an ultra slim lipstick, which is, yes, it is, as thin as your upper lip line and perfect for sophisticated lip lines. Pack. An eco-friendly lipstick case made of biodegradable plastic. Oh, bongga! Now, this tiny little bugger is so cute. Tingnan nyo to, guys, as in cute. It is a lip sheer. Ang cute niya. I-swatch nga natin to. Okay. Ano lang siya, guys? Para siyang ganyan siya. O, nakikita nyo ba yan? Anyway, magsa-start akong i-swatch from the lightest to the darkest shades. So, i-start natin yung Depressed Nude. It is on the brighter side. It is very matte though. As in, sobrang matte niya. Hindi ko ginamit yung lip sheer, guys, ha. So, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth ilagay. Though, it is smoother than other matte lipsticks that I have tried. Pero this specific shade, yung color payoff niya, hindi siya ganun ka-even. Hindi siya yung classy ng lip color na I will reach out for like on a daily basis. Para sa akin, it's like a bright, pinkish, what do you call that? What's that shade? Coral shade. Ganun. Yeah. So, hindi ko siya ganun kabet yung shade na yan. Kung lighter yung skin tone nyo, I'm pretty sure this is gonna look great on you guys. As in, nag-leave siya ng konting tint sa lips ko. Next will be the shade Gloomy Nude. This I'm excited about. It looks really nice. Yung swatch ni Gloomy Nude sa kamay ko, guys, sobrang ganda. So, I think I will like it. Let's apply it on the lips. Yes, way better. Like, I can tell right now, yung formula niya, sobrang iba dun sa first na na-try natin. Kasi yun yung color payoff niya, medyo off eh. Ito, like, meron talaga siyang color, guys. Ito, very even ang application. Kahit na hindi ko pa nga siya tapos, I had to say it. Guys, I love this shade. And sobrang perfect ng shape ng lipstick pag apply sa lips. As in, hindi ka mahirapan. Hindi siya yung malaking bullet. Sobrang shape na shape mo talaga yung lips mo. I love this color. It's kind of like a deep, corally. Medyo may pagka-deep na may pagka-hint ng coral. Very slight hint lang ng coral. Feeling ko ito yung susuotin ko today kasi ang ganda niya tingnan. Oh my gosh. Hala, ano yan? Yung color payoff nitong specific na shade na to, ang ganda. I love it. Next will be the shade Sensitive Coral. Ooh, it looks bright. Sensitive Coral looks like that. I'm not sure if I would like this, but this time, mag-try ako maglagay ng lip sheer. Kasi pangatlong lipstick na to. Hindi naman nagdadry yung lips ko pa. Hindi actually. May pagka-slight na minty na amoy. Ang cute niya, ang liit niya lang. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang lip balm na parang binabasa yung lips mo. Binibigyan niya lang ng very nice na moisture yung lips without making it really like wet looking. It applies way better kapag merong lip sheer, guys. Way smoother. Feeling ko parang naintindihan ko na ng bonggang-bongga ko ano yung lip sheer. It was smoother to apply, but the color payoff wasn't that great nung in-apply ko itong shade na to sa lips ko with the lip sheer. Feeling ko yun yung purpose niya, to parang sheer out the lipstick. Coming from the name lip sheer. I think so. Kasi nung nag-apply ako, ibang-iba siya sa mga previous na na-apply ko. But it looks like this. It is bright, but not like too bright. Maybe because I have the lip sheer as well. Actually, I will apply it without the lip sheer later on. But it looks like this. Guys, namatay yung battery ko, so kailangan ko palitan. So maybe I had to take a break for like 3 minutes. And in fairness, guys, with the lip sheer, it looks really nice. Parang habang tumatagal, mas lalong parang nakakain ng lips mo yung lip color, na parang mas nagsiset siya ng maganda, na parang naging part na siya ng lips. I'm not sure if that makes sense, pero napansin ko lang, tingnan ko yung ano ko, sabi ko, wala, ang ganda na natingnan. Anyway, itry natin to without the lip sheer para makita talaga natin yung itsura ng shade without the lip sheer. Wow! See, sabi ko sa inyo Sabi ko sa inyo guys, yung lip sheer, parang kinakain niya yung lips. Now, tingnan nyo, nag-tint na siya ng bonggang-bongga. This is a really nice looking tint. Like guys, ito na yun. Lips ko na yan, na merong tint. Oh my gosh. That looks really good. And I think that's because of the lip sheer. Guys, ngayon ko lang yan na-discover. My gosh, that color looks really good and very full ng shade niya. I love it. Now, hindi natin lagyan ng lip sheer at tingnan natin kung ano magiging shade na to. Kanina naman sa mga lipstick na tinry natin na without the lip sheer, hindi naman siya naging ganito. Hindi naman siya parang naging tint. But this one looks really good. Like, plus my lips feels really nice. Hindi siya drying. Kahit na pangatlo or pang-apat na try ko na to ng lipstick. Okay, this is without the lip sheer, guys, ha. Yung formula niya, same siya nung first. Yung color payoff niya, medyo off ng konti. Pero kapag pero kapag na-swipe mo na siya ng paulit-ulit, like makukuha mo na yung color payoff na gusto mo, na parang hindi patchy. But this is the sensitive coral without the lip sheer. I highly suggest, now na na-discover ko yung nangyari kanina, use it with the lip sheer. Oh my gosh, yung kanina sobrang ganda. Anyway, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys, without the lip sheer. Okay, last na tayo, guys. Tanggalin ko muna to. Good luck sa lips ko talaga. Wow, ang ganda ng tint. Guys, wala na tong lipstick. Nag-tint lang siya and sobrang happy na ako sa shade na to. Ito na lang yung susuotin ko. Ganda ng kulay niya. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Anyway, I think this is going to be a lucky last kasi ang ganda ng shade niya from the packaging. I think that's like the kind of nude that I will wear. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the Hello Nude. Yes! Guys, ikikip ko talaga tong lahat ng lip sheer na to. Kasi meron akong 4 eh. Hindi naman siguro kailangan nitong 4. Pero, I really love it. Okay. Ang ganda ng shade! Yes, ang ganda ng shade na to. Ito yung pinakamaganda. And pag swatch pa lang sa kamay ko, sobrang ganda na feeling sa kamay. Siya yung pinaka-smooth i-swatch sa kamay. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng lip sheer this time, guys, ha. Ito lang. Guys, ito yung pinaka-gusto kong shade. As in. Yung formula ni Hello Nude is same formula ni oh my gosh, ano na to. Yung formula ni Hello Nude is very the same kay Gloomy Nude. So, yung mga nude nila dito, ang gaganda. As in, promise. And yung natirang dalawa, si Sensitive Coral at saka si, sino yung isa? Depressed Nude, very similar din yung formula nila. Kung wala sigurong tint na nakita nyo kanina, itong si Hello Nude, hindi siya ganito ka-bright tingnan. Though hindi naman siya bright ngayon, pero feeling ko, kapag wala siya nung tint kanina, like magiging ganito talaga yung shade niya, guys. Oh. Ganito yung sa swatch sa kamay, and ganyan siya sa lips ko. So like, makikita mo talaga siguro may like very, very slight na difference because of the tint na meron tayo sa lips natin kanina na sobrang ganda. I'm not complaining. Sa 4, yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung si Hello Nude. Like, yung sa shade lang niya, ha. Yung pinaka-favorite ko is si Hello Nude at saka si Gloomy Nude. Now, yung dalawang natira, yung formula nila, hindi siya kasing ganda nitong dalawang favorite ko. Pero, gamitan nyo siya ng sheer, and nakita nyo naman yung resulta niya kanina. Kahit na hindi ganun kaganda yung formula niya, gamitan mo ng sheer, let it sit for like 2 minutes, tanggalin mo, the best lip tint ever. Hindi ko alam kung lip tint to, guys. Pero it looked really good sa lips. Now guys, alam naman natin na lipstick tong mga to, no? Hindi naman siya lip tint, hindi naman siya like liquid lipstick na nagsiset ng super matte sa lips. So, I'm pretty sure magta-transfer siya kasi nafe-feel ko siya sa lips ko, but I will still do it. Yes, sobrang nagta-transfer siya guys, but then again, it's a lipstick, it's not a tint. Tiningnan ko yung Set Beauty na website talaga, wala sila nitong ganitong set. Kung gusto nyo bilhin yung set, ililive ko yung link ng shop ko below. Ito yung klase ng lipstick na parang worry-free. Kasi alam ko na kapag kumain ako matatanggal yung lipstick eh. But because I know na mayroon akong tint sa ilalim, hindi parang okay lang na matanggal siya kasi alam ko meron pa rin tint yung lips ko. Kumain man ako ng bongga. Meron pa rin matitirang kulay sa lips ko, which is great. Itong mga maliliit na to, titira to sa mga bag ko. Isa sa work bag, isa sa weekend bag, isa sa backpack. Ay, nako. Guys, update sa lipstick. It's now almost 4 ng hapon. And katapos ko lang kumain ng lunch. And I'm about to eat snack. Yung turon ko, nagluluto ako dun. Ang ganda, guys. As in, tingnan nyo. Parang walang nangyari. And kumain ako ng rice at saka tuyo. Kumain ako ng sapsap. Guys, as in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Akala ko matatanggal siya. But because may tint tayo sa ilalim, wala eh. As in, parang wala lang nangyari. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi ako nag-retouch at all. Promise to God, hindi talaga ako nag-retouch. And it looks really good. Now, I think, yeah, magta-transfer pa rin siya. May transfer pa rin siya na sobrang konting-konti lang. Kasi nga, again, it's a lipstick, hindi naman siya lip tint. But, it still looks like parang kanina lang. Parang wala lang nagbago. I'm really liking this lipstick. As in, ay nako guys. I'm not gonna retouch. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya at tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya. But so far, hi guys! I am back. It is around almost 11 na ng gabi guys. And hindi ako nag-retouch guys. Yung lips ko, hindi ko to na-retouch ni konti. And tingnan niyo yung aking lips. Sobrang ganda pa din niya. I mean, siguro yung pinaka-inner corner, as in yung pinaka-inner corner, nag-fade na siya. But this is after having lunch, snack, and then dinner, and then nag-salad pa ako after dinner, and then nag-fruits pa ako after dinner. Ilang beses ako uminom throughout the day. Walang retouch. This is the best lipstick I have tried na naging lip tint. Na hindi naman siguro siya lip tint. Anyway, whatever it is, sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya guys. I can't wait to try the other shades. The gloomy nude, I can't wait to try that. Pero sobrang ganda niya guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Hindi din siya drying sa lips. For a lipstick na nagtitint, hindi siya drying sa lips. And I'm pretty sure it is because of the lip sheer. Yung napansin ko lang is parang yung natira is yung tint na lang na nakita nyo kanina. Yung lipstick, after ko kumain, parang nawala na siya. But then again, dahil may tint siya, parang hindi mo napapansin na nawala na yung lipstick. So instead of like hollow nude, yung natira na kulay sa lips ko is yung tint na nakita natin kanina. Which I still really like. I will try in my future videos, future vlogs, yung hollow nude lang guys, na siya lang with the sheer tint or lip sheer. And tingnan natin kung ano yung kulay niya talaga. But I'm really liking the formula. I love na meron siyang tint na ganap sa kanya. I really love the lip sheer. As in, sobra. I think ito yung nagdala talaga eh. And sobrang nakakatuwa guys kasi 'di ba ang ganda nung paglagay ko ng lips kasi sobrang slim nung nung lipstick. And yun, full on pa rin talaga yung kulay sa edges. Yung sa inner corner lang yung nag-fade ng konti. Kasi nga sa dami nga naman ang kinain ko. Tapos walang retouch. As in, ay naku, wala akong masasabi sa lipstick na to. The best talaga guys. If you guys wanna get yours as well, I will leave the link of my shop below if you guys are interested. Highly suggest. I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan na meron silang pa-promo na merong lip sheer, but this is so good. In my future videos, I will try this with other lipsticks and see if it will do the same thing. I did look at the website Set Beauty and meron silang maraming mga lipstick pa. I'm actually really interested sa brand now na sobrang nagustuhan ko to. Anyway, you guys get it. I love the product, so I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. As in, ito yung pinaka gusto kong review kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga yung product na hindi ko inaasahan. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mwah!